Before I knew this tip, I used to throw dirty oil away. Today I don't do that anymore, and if you do, you won't either. Come with me to know this wonderful tip. And let me know from which city you are watching us from. Oil is very expensive, so don't miss the chance to save money. First I'll put the oil to warm up. Just turn on the fire. This oil is about 3 days old and very dirty. For this tip I will use cornstarch. This is the big secret of our tip. In a small container add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. After that, add a little water. If necessary, you will add more until you get to a point that I will show you. You can also add more cornstarch. The point we want is a paste. There you go, folks. This is the point we need. The oil is already heated up, so it's ready to. I'm going to add our paste here into the pan. And the paste will start frying, that's it. With the help of a spoon you move the paste around. That way the impurities will stick to the batter and come off with it. I'm going to take the dough out now. And look at the result of this oil. A big difference, as you can see. And it is a very practical procedure. Look at the dough, it absorbed all the dirt from the oil. This tip is amazing. How much is one oil costing in your city? And today's message is in Proverbs chapter 16 verses 1-3. People can make their plans, but it is the Lord God who has the last word. You may think that everything you do is right, but the Lord judges your intentions. Ask God to bless your plans, and they will work out. Many make plans and decisions without asking for God's guidance and help. Only He has the power to help us realize our plans. And even if our plans don't come true, we need to trust in God's decision and that our blessings will come at the right time. Until the next video. Bye bye.